Every now and then, when I have some extra time, I love going up and down the aisles at the market to see if there's an item that's new or one that we haven't used in a while. So when I came across some fish sauce in the ethnic section, I brought it back to the test kitchen and came up with a flavor-packed pork dish that I thought was worth sharing. We saute a couple pounds of pork shoulder that we cut into chunks along with a chopped onion. Once it browns, we take it out of the pan and add in a bit of fish sauce, brown sugar, hot sauce, ginger, garlic, and last but not least, strips of red pepper. After this simmers, we thicken it up with some beef broth mixed with some cornstarch before adding the pork back in. And as for the fish sauce, it adds a slightly salty Asian flair, which makes it perfect in a dish like this. And when you serve this over some steaming rice sprinkled with scallions, get ready for lots of oohs and ahs. The nice thing about this is everyone will welcome it with open arms, or, shall I say, with an open mouth. The recipe for our skillet glazed pork is online now and is soon to be part of your regular dinner routine. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a new find in the market way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.